I'm Kat, and I had the gum surgery with Dr. McKee.
When I would come in for my regular cleanings, the dental hygienist would be marking 4s and 5s on her chart, and apparently that's not good. I noticed that when I moved my tongue around my teeth, I could feel ridges. Looking in the mirror, I could see the bones of my teeth.
So I had a different dentist before Dr. McKee who said that I really needed it because I was going to have bone loss, and this was something that I put off for, I don't know, several years because I was terrified of it.
One thing probably that kept me from doing this procedure earlier was, you talk to people my age that maybe have had the procedure and they said, oh yeah, so they have to graft tissue from the roof of your mouth and stitch it into your gums, and all of that seemed like, oh wow, that sounds like a long recovery.
That seemed, from what I read about it, extremely painful, expensive, lots of time healing. Another thing I didn't know about it is you have to have that regular gum grafting surgery done every 10 years. So I came out here, I got my consultation, and I immediately was like, I don't know why so many more people don't know about the pinhole surgery. It just sounds like it's so much better.
Way better than I thought. Actually, excellent. All the things that I worried about were not worth worrying about. The pain that I thought I was going to have, I didn't have. The discomfort, the post-op recovery was way shorter than I thought. In fact, I was back to my job. I fly airplanes for a living, and I was back flying 2 days after the procedure.
Everything with the surgery went exactly as he described, and he was so careful, cautious. I felt super comfortable, and then my healing process and coming in here for the appointments afterwards, everyone in this office is so professional. They're just awesome. They really care. Dr. McKee thoroughly answered all of my questions. He's so professional, he's kind, he's even cool, which is not something I've ever said about a dentist ever before in my life.
Best practice, best people, best dentist office I've ever been to. My gums look like they did it when I was in my 20s. I wish I would have done it earlier because the results are so amazing.
I can't recommend it highly enough. I recommend it to everyone now because I think if you've been putting off a gum surgery like I was for a long time, I wish I had had it a couple of years ago. I'm so glad that I didn't listen to my other traditional dentist about what he was telling me about gum grafting. I'm glad that I took the chance and came here.